This is the fourth video in the Beginner Robotics Summer Camp series. In this video, we'll be going over how to display text and graphics on the EV3 brick. Today we will talk about what is text and graphics, how to use the text block, and how to use the graphics block. What is text? Text is simply just what is displayed on the EV3 brick on the little screen, and it's usually a word or is a number of words. It can also just be letters. What is graphics? Graphics, much like text, is also shown on the EV3 screen shown by the red arrow. Graphics can be default expressions that are given to you by Mindstorm, or it can be images that you find online. The text/display block have a variety of different options from which you can choose from. The first tool is the erase tool, which will erase any text or graphics that was previously on the screen. The X and Y options change where your text appears on the screen by making them go up and down. This sets the color of the text, and this changes the size of the text, either it being small, bold, or large. Where it says Mindstorms is where you can change where the text is displayed on the screen by typing it using your keyboard. How to use the graphics block. The graphics block has more options than the text block, as you can choose a variety of different shapes including line, circle, rectangle, and point. You can also upload an image from the internet. As previously stated, there are 4 different shapes you can use on your screen, and each of them have their own different set of options. Each of them all have the erase tool, which will erase anything that was previously on the screen. They all have their own X and Y system. For line, the X and Y system will set where the start line is, where the end line is. For dot, it will set where the dot is, and for circle and rectangle, it will set the center of those two shapes. Circle and rectangle also have 2 tools, which will set the size of them. Circle using radius, and rectangle using the length and the height. You can fill in the rectangle and height, so you can have a fully shaded in shape, or you can decide not to. Also, all the 4 shapes options have color or no color. Finally, there's the image tab, which will select an image from either Mindstorm or the internet. You can change the image by clicking on this button here. Image has 3 different options on it, including erase, which will, as previously stated, erase anything that's on the screen, and the X and Y coordinate system, which will send your image around this point. If we click on the neutral button, we can see that a list pops out, and from this list there's a bunch of different things you can select from, as shown on the right side. If you click on the expressions, you click on Big Smile, this will be what is displayed on the Mindstorm EV3 screen. This concludes how to display text and graphics on the EV3 brick.